Cala Blanca Bali House by Biombo Architects in Indonesia. Cala Blanca is a 4-bedroom residential house located in a unique villa hotel known as Biombo Secrets. Located just 800 m from the shore in Pererenan, Bali. This compound is a curated collection of villas that are available for everyone who wants to spend a holiday in Bali, plus the experience of staying in an architectural thought design. Other renowned villas, like Cala Bona Bali, Cala Blanca Bali, and Cala Terra Bali, are part of this compound. The size of the plot of Cala Blanca Villa is 450 square meters. The challenge of this project was designing these houses to maximize the space, so every house itself would feel wide and spacious. The layout of all of them has been carefully thought out individually to conquer and give use to all small spaces and corners. We chose to design the long volume of the villas on the longest side of the land to create a large plan, on which we would have a greater visual amplitude and lower interference from the neighbor villas. In addition, the difference in level between the villas makes privacy one of the successes of this project. To maximize the space of the plot, a sole parking was designed for all the villas, with a common entrance and access corridor, one of the singularities of this special compound. As you walk into the corridor, you are driven to the villas by a zigzag walkway, surrounded by lush green, natural stone, and roofs that almost touch each other along the way. As soon as you access the villa, you are dropped in the living area, with a high-sloped timber ceiling that covers the kitchen, living room, and dining room as part of the same space. In this area, you can already be part of one of our signature concepts, bringing nature inside the house. Palm trees and plants all around the sunken sofa area and kitchen are part of the house, as is the furniture or the rest of the elements. Nature is a tonic for physical well-being. It reduces blood pressure, stables heart rate, and decreases the production of stress hormones. After living with this concept in our own residence for the last 7 years, we believe every day that this is something that we want to incorporate as part of our designs. Other elements of these biophilic homes are the need for natural light and ventilation and the use of natural materials, such as timber, stone, etc., which naturally bring a feeling of mental and physical comfort. Spread across 3 floors, Cala Blanca boasts a total of 4 luxurious bedrooms. The ground floor houses 3 of these, while the first floor is dedicated exclusively to a grand master suite that opens up to a spacious terrace. The basement is thought to be a corner for entertainment, not disturbing the rest of the people sleeping in the upper bedrooms. Featuring a speakeasy bar and a state-of-the-art cinema room, alongside essential service facilities. 2 of the bedrooms on the ground floor have direct access to the garden, which extends one of the icons, the salty water pool. The pool is an architectural design in itself. The organic design, executed with custom marble pieces and a smooth slope, emulates a turquoise beach. It rests under the shadow of a mini jungle of coconut trees, offering residents a slice of paradise within their home's confines. What sets Cala Blanca apart is its intentional dialogue with the lush tropical vegetation of Bali. The design seamlessly blends indoor and outdoor spaces, cultivating an intimate relationship between nature and dwelling. Local materials such as wood and stone are harmoniously integrated, their authenticity accentuated by the contrasting, modern foam work shapes infused into the cement. In Cala Blanca, as in the rest of our projects, we have tried to marry the timeless allure of Bali with the sophistication of contemporary design. Using the power of architecture to elevate our living experiences and connect us more deeply with nature and the world around us.